Hey there everyone, and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. I have an unboxing here and I'm not quite sure what it is, so we're going to find out. So, it is from Hal Leonard. Get the top here. Alright, let's see what we got. It is an ukulele from my friends at Flight. And I've been doing some work with and for Flight lately, so here is the ukulele. Let's take a look. Alright. With every flight, you get a little guidebook that features Elise Eklund and her original song, and you get a sheet of stickers. Alright, let's take a look. You get the traditional Flight gig bag. This is the gig bag that started it all for them. They include a gig bag with every ukulele, and incidentally, they're now selling gig bags independently. So you can buy a Flight gig bag just like this. This one has the smaller amount of padding. You can get one with very little padding, or you can get the deluxe gig bags. They're a little harder to get in the United States because remember, Flight is a European company first. No question about it. They're throughout the world, but they can work more fluidly and fast in Europe. And of course right now, especially in COVID times. So let's see what we got here. The truss rod just came out, so their baritones do include a truss rod. That's good to know. A little different headstock than we've seen. A little deer on the top there, which is kind of cool. All right. And there we go. Now, one of the interesting things is that I think I've read that the Flight baritones generally come with GCEA strings on them. And I think that's right. Looking at it, they're Aquila Super Nylguts. I will probably remove those after a review of this instrument, and then move along to using some fluorocarbon DGBE strings from Living Waters. So that is the Flight NUB310. Let me get a tuner. Yeah, the strings are stretching, which is to be expected on a new ukulele. Again, if you buy a new ukulele and they have any kinds of strings, just expect them to continue to stretch. Just a few quick observations. Kind of an interesting etching around the sound hole. You can see the updated Flight sticker on the inside. It's kind of cool. It's round, so you don't get a whole lot of extra material, and a lot of them are square with a thing. That's pretty cool. You have, hard to see, but I think it's a walnut bridge, a walnut fretboard. You have open geared tuners that work just fine. That little bit of a different headstock shape. Again, I don't have any wood Flight, so this is my first. It's laminate, but it's my first wood Flight. Pretty traditional neck. You do have fretboard markers on the side. Yeah, it's gonna be fun to play with this one. And at the same time, I'll be looking forward to swapping those strings out down the road and changing it to a DGBE ukulele. So there you go, brand new ukulele, unexpected, very grateful for it. And now I have two baritones. Generally when I'm doing my instruction with baritone of any kind, I always mention that I only have one baritone. So now I have two. Also, does have a strap button on the bottom. Does not have one on the side. That'll get added later. So again, this is the Flight NUB310. If you don't know of a Flight store in your area, there's a good chance that they can actually order one for you. So if there's a Flight that you like, you can actually use your local music store, because almost all the music stores have a relationship with Hal Leonard, and Hal Leonard is the distributor for Flight in the United States and through much of the world. So there are, of course, different places. And if you want to see where the stores are that do carry Flight, check out Flight's website at flightmusic.com. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing video, and I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.